The year 2039. What will happen? The year 2039 is surrounded by theories of transformative change for humanity and Earth. Scientifically, advancements in AI, biotechnology, and space exploration may redefine life, possibly solving global challenges like climate change or unlocking interplanetary travel. Spiritually, many believe humanity will undergo a collective awakening, shifting toward unity, higher consciousness, and a deeper connection with nature. This could mean breaking free from divisive systems, embracing sustainable living, and fostering global harmony. Whether through groundbreaking technology or a spiritual evolution, 2039 symbolizes a pivotal moment where humanity may step into a new era, reshaping life and our understanding of the universe.